So we brought you here specifically for data storytelling today. That is our topic today. And when we say that, everybody gets excited. They say, yes, I want to know more about data storytelling. And then if you ask them behind the scenes, would they actually know what that means? So Zach, what is data storytelling?
Well, it's an emerging concept. And I think as a result, lots of people are going to have different definitions of what it means to them. So all I can give you is my perspective on that.
Well, you are here.
And that's what you're going to get. The data storytelling to me is taking the methodologies and skills that people use in traditional storytelling methods. So if you think about movies, books, any ways that we experience stories, it's taking some of those concepts and applying them to how we communicate data. So if you think about data as a medium, a way to communicate in the same way that words are or music is, or there are visual ways to communicate. If you think of data in that mode, what you're trying to bring in is concepts of narrative, concepts of a logical flow, plot, characters. So when you bring in those concepts, and those are things that are well understood by audiences.
Yep.
So you're trying to reach people and reach them in a way that's going to engage them and have an emotional connection to them. We're trying to bring those concepts into how we communicate with data. So to me, it goes beyond a visualization. A visualization is certainly a good and important part of how we communicate data. It's kind of one of the building blocks of data storytelling, but it's trying to bring together those concepts. And when we think about story, really the starting point for that is an audience. You're trying to reach an audience with a story to change their perspective on the world. That's what almost every story is about. And that's what we're trying to bring to how people communicate data.
Yeah, and that's, in the past, we always think about data visualization and data visualization. So we create data, or we take data, we create an insight, and we feel like that's the end. And what you're actually saying is we have data, we have visualizations, and we're infusing narrative in that to go along with the story, which allows it to tie back to an audience. And